war against the pilgrimage policy. In 1982 Vikram Samvat, the Thakur of Palitana, Mansingh Ji, declared the imposition of individual tax for the pilgrims. Sheth Anandji Kalyanji Pedhi, that held the responsibility for the management of pilgrimages, tried to negotiate with the Thakur, but in vain. This unjust policy was to be met with a vigorous action. It was then decided that all Jain Sanghs throughout India would desist from the pilgrimage in Palitana. This was observed by all Jain Sanghs for 2 long years. As an effect, on 1st April 1926 AD, the policy was taken back and a fixed amount was set for Tirtha Raksha. However, there still was a catch to this. Pilgrims would hesitate, fearing that the tax amount would be redeemed from them. To do away with this fear, Pujya Shri inspired the Sangh to gather a huge fund to compensate for this and decided to pay off the amount from the fund every year. Eventually, the princely state was absorbed by the independent democratic India soon, and the fund remained unutilized. Sheth Shri Kasturbhai Lalbhai approached Pujya Shri for recommendation as to where the fund must be employed. Pujya Shri transparently stated that the fund collected for Giriraj must be invested for the welfare of the same. This decision resulted into 3,750 easy stone steps that we see today at Palitana's Giriraj, a constant reminder of our humble Gurudev.